Hello, it's so lovely to see you. It's Jax. Welcome to the channel and welcome to your 5 minutes of breath work to help you feel whole and balanced. If you've already watched the intro and you know what to do, just go ahead and skip to the breathing technique. Otherwise, I'm going to tell you about the 2 different breathing techniques that we're doing. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And this is actually a sneak peek of a challenge that I have going on October 8th. It's called 5 days of 5 minutes of breath work. So this is like a little sample to show you how easy it is to get 5 minutes of breath work in. We're doing 2 breathing exercises today. The first one, Nadi Shodhana. So we're clearing and balancing our nadis, our energy channels in the body. So if you're feeling blocked or stuck, this is gonna clear you out and balance you. Balance your right and left hemisphere, balance the feminine and the masculine within you. And when we feel nice and whole and complete, we feel balanced. So that's what that breathing exercise will be. What will happen is we'll take our hand and place the thumb and the pointer finger together. All 3 fingers point out. And then this is our Gyan Mudra. And then we'll take Vishnu Mudra with the right hand. Pointer finger and middle finger go down. So your thumb and your ring finger is out. We'll bring that right elbow into the body and we'll hold breath and inhale. So we'll inhale to a count of 5, hold for a count of 20, exhale for a count of 10. Inhale 5, hold 20, exhale 10. We'll do 3 rounds of that, feeling really great. Next is gonna be bhastrika, and this is the breath that's gonna energize you today. So nice and easy, really simple. What's gonna happen in a moment when you do it is you're gonna keep your hands right here in line with your shoulders. And then inhale, arms go up, fingers go out. Exhale, down. Inhale up, exhale, down. So on the exhale, just let your arms, just let them naturally fall. And all this breath is gonna be in and out through the nose. So we'll do 3 rounds of that for 25 seconds. All right, friends, are you ready to feel balanced, whole, and energized? Go ahead and find a comfortable position and we'll get started. Let's get started. Sit in any cross-legged position, which is comfortable for you. Keep your spine erect. Relax the shoulders, soften the face. Keep your right hand in Vishnu Mudra by folding your index finger and middle finger down. Right thumb, right nostril. Right ring finger, left nostril. First breath is a free breath. Inhale fully. Exhale fully. Inhale right thumb to right nostril. Exhale out the left nostril. Inhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold. Exhale right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Exhale left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Exhale right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. You're doing amazing, by the way. Way to stick with it. Exhale left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Exhale right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Exhale left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Open mouth, exhale, release it out. Great job. Moving on over. Let's move on to bhastrika. You can go ahead and release those mudras. And take the hands, create fists, keep them in line with the shoulders, spine tall, shoulders and face relaxed. First breath is a free breath. Inhale fully, exhale fully. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Pause there. Let the hands down in your lap. Take these next 25 seconds to relax and observe what's happening in the body and in the mind. And allow that breath to slow down. And notice that when the breath slows down, the mind can start to slow down. But let us prepare for another round. First breath is a free breath. Inhale fully, exhale fully. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Pause there. Deep breath in through the nose, and deep breath out through the nose. Hands down in the lap. Sit up nice and tall. Allow yourself to really observe what's happening in your body and your breath. Let us prepare for our last round. Hands come up to the shoulders. First breath is a free breath. Inhale fully, exhale fully. Inhale, exhale, 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 inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, Exhale, hold, pause there, deep breath in, and deep breath out. Hands on the lap. Relax the face and the mind and the body. Wonderful job. Deep breath in through the nose. Deep breath out through the nose. Last breath, lion's breath. Let's do a little bonus one here. So bring your hands, open your eyes, keep your hands up by your shoulders, create little fists, rawr, like a lion. Deep breath in. Open the mouth, stick out the tongue, lion's breath. One more like that. Inhale, deepest one you've taken. Open the mouth, stick out the tongue, lion's breath. Bring the hands into heart center. Close the eyes. Bring the thumbs up to the forehead in the middle of the eyebrows. For gratitude of clarity of mind, being able to tap in. Bring the thumbs to the mouth for thoughtfulness of speech, speaking with love and truth today. And bring the hands to the heart center, moving with love, ease, joy, and grace today. It was such a pleasure to see you and have you do this breathing exercise. Namaste. Yay! Congratulations on finishing your breath work. I'm so proud of you for doing this video, for doing the breath work. Don't forget, sign up for my challenge. If you want to be notified when it releases, when you're going to get these videos, go ahead and sign up in the link down below in the description. Doing this 5 days, 5 minutes of breathwork challenge when you sign up is gonna have so many benefits. It's gonna allow you to build a healthy habit. It's gonna allow you to boost your immune system. It's gonna allow you to boost your creativity. You're gonna feel whole and centered and calm and energized. And it's great because each video covers something different. So one breathing exercise is cooling if you feel hot. Another breathing exercise is energizing if you need that energy. Another one is nice and calming if you're feeling anxious or stressed. So don't forget to sign up for the videos. I will see you at the challenge. Subscribe if you haven't. Give it a thumbs up. That helps my channel so much. And don't forget, leave a comment. I love interacting with you all. All right, everybody. Until next time. Bye.